Ever feel like your finances are a runaway train? You're chugging along, making money, but then bam! You hit a dead end and wonder where it all went. Wouldn't it be nice to have a financial watchdog, a bloodhound sniffing out ways to save you money? Well, that's exactly what the Snoop app promises. But who's the brain behind this financial guardian angel? Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the mastermind behind Snoop. From Virgin Money to Snoop Dogg. Not quite. Many might think, with a name like Snoop, there's a connection to the legendary rapper. But plot twist. Snoop the app has a much more sophisticated origin story. The founder of Snoop is actually Dame Jane Ngadia, a powerhouse in the financial world. Before Snoop, Dame Jane N was the CEO of Virgin Money, a major UK bank. The vision behind Snoop. So why ditch the big bank life and create Snoop? Dame Jane N saw a gap in the market. Traditional banks weren't always transparent, and many people struggled to manage their finances effectively. Her vision for Snoop was simple: empower everyone, regardless of background, to take control of their money. How does Snoop work? Snoop isn't your average budgeting app. It uses something called open banking technology. Essentially, it connects securely to your existing bank accounts, giving you a holistic view of your finances. Think of it like a financial detective. Snoop analyzes your spending habits, identifies areas where you can save, and even negotiates better deals on your bills. Plus, it offers personalized tips and tricks to help you make smarter financial decisions. The impact of Snoop. Since its launch, Snoop has helped countless users take charge of their finances. The app boasts an average saving of £1,500 per year for its users. That's a significant chunk of change that can be put towards bills, savings goals, or that dream vacation. But Snoop isn't just about saving money. It's about building financial confidence. By providing clear insights and actionable steps, Snoop empowers users to feel secure about their financial future. Snoop, more than just money. The team behind Snoop understands that financial well-being goes beyond just numbers. That's why they've partnered with organizations that promote financial inclusion and environmental sustainability. They believe in building a better financial future for everyone, not just their app users. So, who should use Snoop? Snoop is for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Whether you're a budgeting pro or a complete beginner, Snoop can help you save money, make smarter financial choices, and achieve your financial goals. The future of Snoop. The team behind Snoop is constantly innovating. They're always looking for ways to improve the app and offer even more value to users. With new features on the horizon, Snoop is poised to become an even more essential tool for navigating the ever-changing world of personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on snooping for a brighter financial future.